everyone, welcome back. If you're a Shopify store owner and you're tired of manually handling customer support, WhatsApp replies, and repetitive tasks, then today's video is for you. Today I'm going to give you a complete demo of Haleria AI Sales and Support. We'll see how you can use AI and the official WhatsApp Business API to easily manage customer support for your Shopify store. So, without any further delay, let's get started. First, let's take a look at the Haleria dashboard. This is the main dashboard of our app. The first feature is the AI chat widget. With just one click, you can enable or disable the AI chat widget. Once enabled, the AI automatically starts answering questions from your website visitors. For example, if a customer asks, "How long will delivery take? What is your return policy? What's the status of my order?" the AI instantly provides an accurate response. In addition, the AI supports features like smart product discovery, product recommendations, order status, and product negotiation. This means your support team's workload can be significantly reduced while customers get instant responses. To provide accurate answers, the AI needs information about your business. That's why Haleria allows you to connect important Shopify pages with the AI. For example, your shipping policy, return policy, privacy policy, and FAQs. The AI reads these pages and provides customers with the same information that you have published on your website. You can simply review these pages and give the AI access to them. If some information isn't available on your website, Haleria also provides Google Docs integration. You can simply update your information in a Google Doc and connect that document with Haleria. The AI can then use that information to answer customer questions as well. This makes it even easier to keep your AI updated. Now let's move on to one of Haleria's most powerful features: official WhatsApp Business API automation. If you manage Shopify orders and customer support through WhatsApp, this feature can be extremely useful for you. Once you connect WhatsApp, the AI can automatically respond to customer messages on WhatsApp as well. And if you ever want to temporarily stop the AI, you can simply enable or disable it with one click. Notification automation. Now let's take a look at notification automation. Here, you'll find WhatsApp notification templates. With order confirmation, whenever a customer places an order on your store, they will immediately receive a confirmation message with confirm and cancel buttons. Depending on the customer's action, a tag will be automatically added to the order, such as confirmed through WhatsApp or canceled through WhatsApp. Next, we have request for review. As soon as an order status changes to delivered, the customer automatically receives a review request message. This helps you collect more reviews for your products. Then we have abandoned checkout reminder. Whenever a customer leaves a checkout without completing the purchase, an automated reminder message is sent to encourage them to complete their order. When you enable a notification for the first time, the template is submitted to Meta for approval. Normally, approval is received within 24 hours. Once the template is approved, the automation automatically starts working. WhatsApp template charges. These messages are generally divided into two categories: utility messages, such as order confirmations, shipment updates, and delivery notifications, and marketing messages, such as promotions, discount offers, and new product launches. Meta charges based on its applicable per-message pricing for these templates. These charges are not paid to Haleria. Meta directly deducts the applicable charges through your Facebook business portfolio. You simply need to click on Add Payment Method and add your payment method through the Meta dashboard. So, if you want to automate customer support, let AI handle your WhatsApp replies. And that was the complete demo of Haleria AI Sales and Support. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it, share it with your Shopify friends, and subscribe to the channel.